I got the motorhome parked right here, sideways along the fence. And what I'm doing right now is I'm opening up all the compartments, and I actually had to silicone a little bit right here, but I'm opening up the compartments and I'm cleaning out the camper from all the tools, and I'm just gonna put what I need, the necessities in it, because Friday we leaving to go camping. We're gonna go camping at Lake End Park in Morgan City. So I'm doing last minute details right now. I took the old sofa out. We got a new sofa that came in. I'm pretty sure you saw some of that footage. But the new sofa's right here, and I'm about to mount it. And I'm gonna show you a little bit what I do, or how I'm mounting it, my plans. But today the heat index is supposed to be 111. So it's pretty hot today. Oh, and there's Natalie. She's coming back with us some lunch. She went and got us some smoothies. What happened was, the other day when I took off these shelves in the back, I did not take a razor blade and score where it was painted at, and I lifted all kind of paint off the wall, which wasn't fun. Today I had to take all kind of, I did some spackle and I sanded it and then I repainted it. What I'm about to do is install this new sofa bed, and I got some spaces that I made out of some PVC, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with those too when I open up the bed. Let's do it. What I did was I cut some little pieces of carpet, and I got some PVC fittings, and I got this screwed down. Being that the sofa is higher on a lip, I had to make an adjustment for the height for whenever we do this. So as I come down, I'm gonna get these, to fit like this, just like this. As you can see, what I did was I cut a little indentation for it to sit. So I got those sitting like that, so then the bed sits level, right? Then the next bar comes down and it does the same thing. It's gonna fall on some feet that keep it up in place. Whoa, Tico, you like that vacuum cleaner? No, he don't like that at all. So now the bed's up in here. And it's sitting level. Cool. Alright guys, we over here at Auto Spa. We're getting an inspection sticker done. We need that done in Louisiana in order for our vehicles to be legal. And this one was expired, so we're getting a new one. And these guys they do oil changes and they do the state inspection stickers. Real nice guy. I kind of became good friends with one of them over here, and we always hang out and talk whenever he does some work for me. But this is another place that's local in Houma. You should check them out. See you.
Happy Saturday. We just went get an inspection sticker. Now we're going to get some gas in the motorhome because we are going camping on Wednesday. Little Black Creek in Mississippi. We are super excited to take our second trip in Winne-B. We've never been to this campground. We've been to the area, but this campground's new to us, so we're pretty excited. I scored one of what is said to be the best spots there. I'm glad I did because it wasn't open for another few months. It'll have a view of the lake with a sunset, and it'll be super nice and relaxing. The weather might not be great, but you know what they say, a rainy day in a camp is better than a rainy day at home. So I got a few new games to play just in case, and just gonna enjoy our time. I hope we do get some good weather though, because I think they have kayaks you can rent there and stuff. It's gonna be cool. You got enough clearance? He's telling you to go.
I have Michael with M&M Auto Detail. He came out and he's been compounding on the motorhome, trying to get that shine back to, and it's looking amazing. It's crazy to see something in person, how it looked bad and now it's like, wow, I didn't realize it was that bad. But he's got compound all on this side right now, so tomorrow he's gonna come out and finish. Again, I'll leave a link to his description, his Facebook page down below. M&M Auto Detailing. Thank you, Michael. You got some raccoons on the ground. I don't want Tico to get involved with this. Oh, they coming. Look at them. Tico, come see. Come here. Come here. He's got another partner behind him over there. There he is. Ready? Let's go see him. Look at Tico. He sees him. He's backing up. Where you going at? Look, Tico. Look at the raccoon. Look at him. You don't see him? Look, T. Look at him. Get him! What a watchdog, huh? So just to let you guys know, those of y'all that do not camp or have never ever camped, I'm gonna take you on this journey with us over here, learning about this camper and seeing what we have to do to go camping. If it's anything like my other camper, I pretty much know what I got to do, but every little step that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to document. If you're new to the channel and y'all like camping, or y'all interested in camping, or y'all thinking about going camping now, please keep on watching, because we're gonna bring y'all all kind of videos on campgrounds and different places and our road trips. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how we pack the camper in the morning, and I'm gonna show you how we hook up to the Jeep. I'm gonna tell you in detail what we got to do to hook up to the Jeep, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about how you should drive and stuff like that, and I'll show you how to hook up the sewage and all the other amenities that you need. So yeah, come along.